So after you've assembled your sign, next thing you want to do is to get all your components connected. First thing you want to do is just get your brackets, your L brackets that comes with the sign. If you notice, these brackets are shaped perfectly for the back of the sign right there. So you would just go ahead and align your brackets and take the provided bolts and then just go ahead and screw those brackets in. Once your sign's mounted, after you have all the brackets connected and you've mounted your sign, you want to go ahead and connect your power cable. Ground. You just go ahead and find the power in port and go ahead and snap your power cable on. Then you would complete your connection using the hot, neutral, and ground. And you can see the tags are already there. Once you have power for your sign, the next thing you want to do is to get your antenna plugged in so that you can make sure that once everything's powered up, you can find the sign with your computer. So you want to open your antenna cable. Notice your cable labeled antenna. Then you're going to go ahead and find the antenna port. And then same thing, we're going to snap that antenna cable in. The antenna cable has the weatherproof aviation connector on one end and then an Ethernet port on the other. So what we're going to do is once we have that connected, we're going to take the Ethernet end and snap it into your antenna. And then we're going to put that cover back on. There we go. When you mount your antenna, you want to make sure your antenna is installed upright with the cable coming from the bottom. This is a weatherproof antenna. It can be used indoor or outdoors, but only when it's upright. If you turn it this way, water can run on the cable and get inside that port. If you turn it this way, that's definitely a no-no. So you want to make sure your antenna is mounted like this. Alright, after you've installed your antenna, the next thing you want to do is to connect your signal out cable, which is going to link your sign together if you have a double-sided unit. So essentially what you want to do is open your cable, just look at your tabs. The ends are both the same, but we label them for you just so you know exactly where to snap those cables in. So we're going to find the signal 1 port on this side. Go ahead and snap that in. Then on the opposite side, you want to find a signal 2 port and then go ahead and snap that in as well. Finally, so your sign can adjust the brightness automatically and also allow you to display the temperature on your sign, you want to attach your brightness and temperature sensor. So we're just going to open that out. We're going to find the brightness and temperature port, which is labeled right there, bright temp, and then we're just going to go ahead and snap that in. So as far as your sign assembly is concerned, you're basically complete. The only thing left to do is to connect your antenna for your PC or for your router so that you can complete your wireless connection. So you're going to find your PoE kit with the second antenna. So let's open that out. This is your PoE adapter. Go ahead and plug that in. Second end goes into an outlet. You get 2 Ethernet cables. One's going to go to the PoE port. Think about PoE as the power port, and you need to power your antenna. So the power port goes into the antenna. And then the LAN port, think about that as your network port. And then the other end goes into your laptop or your router. And that's it. Alright, so just a quick recap. You want to make sure you find your brightness and temperature sensor. Go ahead and snap that in. Get your antenna. Find the antenna port, snap that in. Find your power port. Go ahead and connect your power. Match up your hot, neutral, and live. Complete those connections. And then finally, your signal port if you have a double-sided sign, so you can link the 2 signs together. Only thing left to do is to set up your PoE adapter, connect it to your antenna, connect it to your computer, and you're all set. Let's go ahead and get your software downloaded so we can start making some content. Peace.